Before using the available push-button start, make sure the smart key fob is inside the vehicle. The parking brake is set, and the shift lever is set to park. Sit in the driver's seat and firmly depress the brake pedal. The engine start-stop button indicator will turn green. Press the engine start-stop button. To turn the engine off, shift the transmission into park, depress the brake pedal, then press the engine start-stop button. If the engine is running and the shift lever is not in park when the button is pushed, it will stop the engine, put the ignition in accessory mode, and will not turn off. If that happens, a warning tone will sound, and a message in the multi-information display will remind you to shift to the P range, or more literally, put the transmission in park. To turn on vehicle accessories without starting the engine, start with the vehicle off. Do not touch the brake. Press the engine start-stop button once to use the audio system. Press the button again to use other accessories. And pressing it a third time will turn off accessory power.